My name is Monica, working as assistant professor at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discussing about digestive system. The digestive system, which is main important for what are the main organs which are participate in digestive system. First of all, we are discussing about basic process or functions of the digestive system. First is ingestion. What is ingestion? Process of taking food into the mouth and start chewing. Then excretion. Second step is excretion. Release of water, acid, buffer, enzymes into the lumen of GIT tract. Next is mixing and population. The process of chewing and populations of food through the GIT tract by alternative contraction and relaxation of smooth muscles in the walls of GI tract. Next is digestion. Mechanical and chemical breakdown of food into small molecules is called digestion. Absorption. The passage of digestive food from the GI tract into blood and lymph. Last is elimination. The elimination of feces from the GIT tract is called defecation. These all are functions of digestive system. Now we are discussing about the parts of digestive system. The parts of digestive system which are participate to digest the food. First, mouth. Next, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. So firstly we are discussing about mouth. It is also known as oral cavity or buccal cavity. It is the first part of GIT. It is surrounded by lower and upper lips. The mouth mainly consists of lips, cheeks, gum, teeth, salivary gland and tongue. So teeth are mainly divided into 4 parts. First incisor, second canine, third premolar, last molar. 32 teeth in mouth, in which incisors are 8, canines are 4, premolars 8, molars 12. Now tongue, which is a part of mouth. Tongue lies on the floor of the mouth. It is attached with hyoid bone. It mixes saliva into food and converts into bolus. It contains taste receptors: sweet, salty, sour, bitter. Next, pharynx. It is a muscular tube-like structure. It lies between mouth and esophagus. It is the common pathway for digestive and respiratory tract. It is also known as throat. It passes through the bolus into esophagus. Epiglottitis makes short the pathway of food bolus, that is from pharynx to esophagus. It is further divided into 3 parts: nasopharynx, which is attached with nasals, in which nose; oropharynx, in which mouth; laryngopharynx, which is attached with larynx. Esophagus, it is also known as food pipe. It is a hollow tube-like structure that carries food from pharynx to stomach. It lies between trachea in front and vertebral column at back. Esophagus, basically known as food pipe. No digestion takes place in esophagus as digestive enzymes are absent. Esophagus open into stomach. Now we are discussing about stomach, which is J-like structure, J-shaped pouch-like structure. It lies in the left side of the abdominal cavity. Capacity 30 ml to 1.5 liter. It secretes digestive fluids called gastric juice. It receives food from esophagus. It secretes gastric juice into bolus and convert into chyme. So now we are discussing about the stomach walls. Serosa, muscularis, submucosa, mucosa. These are the 4 layers of stomach. So serosa is outer membrane layer which covering the stomach. Muscularis, which it is a layer of muscle It squeezes the stomach walls together to help move partially digested food into small bowel. Submucosa, it attaches the mucosa to muscularis, and muscosa is the inner layer. These are the mainly layers of GIT tract or stomach. So what are the parts of stomach? Cardiac, which is attached with esophagus, pipe, fundus, body, pylorus. These are the parts of stomach. Thank you for watching this video.